crazy. Alright, now that we're on the bike, we gotta hurry up since we only got 15 minutes until we gotta get to school. So I'm gonna go fast because I can't get late. If I get late again, I'm gonna get tardy and I get EMT. So I definitely can't get late again. So I gotta make sure I take all the shortcuts. And also I'll get lunch detention for a week if I get late. I need to hurry up. Can I cross? Yeah, I'm good. Can I go on the road here? I'm good. It is a school zone, but you know, I'll be fine. They ain't gonna check me. Okay. Is that a cop? Wait, is that a cop? That might, no, it's not. Alright. I thought that was a cop. Alright, let me go back on the side. Oh, wait, jump here. Let me. Ah, I couldn't. Mostly, I won't get late. Since I am running late, there won't be that many car riders in their line. So normally stop packed since most people are bus riders. But some days they can get packed. No cars. Yeah, good. Bro, this backpack's making me off balance. And it's super hot outside. I got athletics in the morning. It's gonna be bad. Yes, today's an inside day. Not inside, outside day. So we're gonna have to go on the football field. But it's fine. I got that. And tomorrow's inside hope. But last week we only had 2 inside days. And we ran a lot since track's coming up. And the track coach had to make sure who was gonna be on his team. Yo, I have like 0 stamina. But I was first place in 100 meters. But anything above that, I got back. My speed's good, but my stamina is low. And I have no clue how to pace myself. Ah! Oh! Oh! Stoppie. Yo, I suck at stoppies. Hold up. Let me just admire this view. Really? Am I not in sport? I am. Why is it not torquing? I'm not full twisted throttle, that's why. I'm gonna get late for school. Oh my god, I forgot. Yo, the Tuttio speed is so fast. Like acceleration. After school, I might go to one of these parks. I know they might have a jump. Oh god. I hate going in the grass. When they're going on the concrete, I feel like my tire's gonna go between the grass and concrete. And I just fall. I could do a stop real quick. Nope, never mind. I'm horrible at stopping right now. Ooh, top it up. Nah, I don't like, I can't like pull evenly on my handlebars. I need goggles. There's stuff in my eye. Hold up, there's stuff in my eye. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Ah. Oh god, I'm gonna just like put my tire between the concrete grass and accident. We're fine. Oh yeah. The car is perfect. And once I get up here, I can do like a intersection cross. I heard something. Oh yeah, that was a car behind me. I like this sidewalk because you can go fast. Oh yeah, no cars. I'm good. No cars. Once I get up here, I can turn. Oh, I just did a good stoppie. I guess I can go. Oh, they were gonna go. You know, I'm fine. I gotta cross over one more time. I might do it on the actual road. Since no, I'll see. I could just go up here and fast to get into school. I gotta hurry up. Yeah, I'm gonna cross right here. So I can get in easier. Ooh, what is over here? Hold up, give me a sec. I'm going here real quick and then I'll go to the school. I don't know what this is. Is it just like a little swing area? Is that really all it is? Ah. It's just swings. Okay. Let me go to school. Before I shouldn't get late, but I might. No cars. Do I go that way or do I cut through? I don't want it. I'm cut through. Right up here, yeah, I'm just gonna cut through. Why is the police here? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is way faster. You know, I just gotta come over here. Right there. Yo. Why is this e-scooter not locked up? Why? The e-scooters are so weird. Alright, I'm gonna lock. I'll break up. Alright. I'll let y'all know when I'm out of school. Alright, I just got out of school. Today was such a long day. It was actually so tiring. Really? I don't know if people playing tennis over here, but I guess I'm over here. I might go to that park I was talking about real quick. Just look. Wait, why? Alright. It's fine. But I got out a little late because I had to go to tutorials. That's why there's like no cars. What is over here? Oh, good stopping. Yeah, I'm about to go to this park. Just have some fun. Good park. Our school was so boring today, and athletics was torture. We had to run bleachers. It was so bad. For a while. Then my GoPro's about to die. Most likely though. Ah! Wait, whoa! Yo, please tell me they don't turn. Go. I gotta go. Yo, oh my god. Yo. What was he doing? Why? I'm out of there. Why is that truck so close to me though? Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and sub if you haven't already. Bye.